Hi, I'm Robert from Wonder Offroad.
Oh, and I'm Aurora.
And this is Ella. You guys have seen Ella before in our previous video, which you can check out right here. Okay, and today I'm coming to you from Owl Canyon Campground. I've done a video on this before, and you guys can check that out right here. Now, today's video, we're going to do Tonka Town, located just north of Barstow. It's the tiniest town in the world, and this is one place you guys have to check out. Thanks for joining us today. If you've never heard of Tonka Town, this is one of the tiniest towns made up of toys. I stumbled upon this area after watching Nada Rubicon's YouTube channel. Finding that it was located north of Barstow with trails that are easily accessible by any two-wheel drive vehicle. If you want to check out this area yourself, I will put a link to Nada Rubicon's website in the description where he posted a GPX file that's downloadable. You'll notice how green this area is now, thanks to the past few months of rain, which has caused the desert to bloom in amazing colors. This does not disappoint. Normally, when you come down here, this is very brown, very dry, but this has become a spectacle of wonder. Something special about the desert that attracts people to come out here and explore its vast openness. And this may be one of those things. Now, from reading Nada Rubicon's website and all the places he gives to explore out here for this specific trail, we unfortunately didn't hit all of them on this trip, but we still got to explore two good sites along this really fun trail. Now, the benefit of this area is that it's really close to the highway. This is only 40 minutes of trailing to get to this spot. It makes it very worthwhile and very fun. You get off on Fort Irwin Road, you take that up towards Copper Canyon City Road. We're now here at Tonka Town, guys, and I'm gonna bring you first this memorial. All right, this is the story of Joseph Michael Stratt. He's the son of the guy who created this. Michael Stratt was the founder, and it gives you a brief history, and Mr. Stratt has gladly put this all together. History of this location, family pictures, family photos. If you happen to know Joey, this would be a great way to help, keep his memory alive. Gives a brief history. Now, if you look over here along these photos, there you see up here in the upper left corner the early photos of this area where the family was out. Originally, this started as a mining claim, and of course, the toys showed up when you had to have the kids play while you're working. As you lift up this lower half right here, there actually is a logbook, a folded flag, and some other mementos and stuff. Feel free as you come down here to sign the logbook, leave your mark upon this place. And down below as well, there's also some photos. So please, when you come here, be respectful. This is a memorial to a son. Now, as you walk through Tonka Town, a lot of this was from people that are coming by and help add more to their time here. So if you want to add more to Tonka Town, feel free to. All right, just be respectful, add more, don't take and don't destroy. With daylight getting the better of us for this trip, we decided to check out one more location and have fun just exploring this vast open area. And we eventually stumbled on something really cool, which I think you all would love. And I'm probably going to want to check this out one more time. There was an abandoned cabin we found. Hey guys, so right now we're at the cabin I was talking about. I don't know the age, but it does look at least semi-modern. There was some electrical appliances inside. but it's been since cleared out. But this is a cool place you can stop and camp at, just take a look. Big wide open spot for a large group. Would I stay in this cabin overnight? No. But it's a cool spot, you know, to go check out. With the day's fun of exploring, we decided to head back to our camp and call it a day. But I just cannot wait to get back out here and check out the other areas. There's so much more to explore. I've heard there's petroglyphs, but hey, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's help this channel grow. And please follow our social media for any other future updates.